Do you know? Ramie fabric traces back to ancient China around 1500 BC, prized for its durability and strength. It is eco-friendly, derived from the Bemeria nivea plant with minimal pesticide and fertilizer use. Ramie fabric is highly breathable, wicking moisture away to keep wearers cool in warm weather. Ramie's natural resistance to bacteria and mildew makes it ideal for medical textiles and bed linens. It is one of the strongest natural fibers, surpassing cotton and linen in strength and longevity, making it a promising alternative option to synthetic fabric. Ramie fabric boasts a natural silk-like luster, draping elegantly and offering a smooth texture. It readily accepts dyes, offering vibrant and long-lasting colors for versatile designs.